This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Stephan. Direct oceanfront condo that has been beautifully remodeled. Newer kitchen with stainless steel appliances, soft close kitchen cabinets and drawers, granite counters, backsplash. All windows and doors have been replaced, full-size stainless washer and dryer, wet bar with cabinets and granite, tile floors throughout the entire unit, no carpet. Both baths have been remodeled with granite, newer cabinets, dual flush toilets, tile and fixtures in showers updated. Dimmer switches installed in every room. Newer water heater and AC, double glass French doors that open into primary bedroom. Crown molding has been added to every room and hurricane shutters too. Complex has heated pool and hot tub. This is a beautiful, one-of-a-kind condo. Rent includes basic cable, internet, water, sewer, trash. Association does not allow tenants to have pets. No smoking allowed. Owner request first, last and security. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Stephan at 321-308-0347.